Hello guys, welcome back to my channel once again. I appreciate you all for supporting my channel and also following me on every single video I posted. I've brought you another video that's going to make you money from writing, and the minimum of $300 per week is sure for you on this website I'm about to show you. You have to follow this step in this video very well if you want this to work for you. Don't worry if you don't have experience in writing. I got you covered because I'm going to be showing you the tools you'll be using to complete your writing project from this website. So what is this video about? Let me be clear with you. This video is about writing and how to make money from writing and using this website called Scripted. So if you don't have interest in writing, this video is not for you. You can keep this video now, you can cancel the video now and go for another thing. But if you have interest in writing and you want to make money from writing, you can actually stay along with me and follow these steps in this video so that you can start making money for yourself with writing. So is this for every country? This is actually not for every country, but I have a way that is going to help you whichever country you are, because this is actually for limited country. But if you follow the steps in this video very well, it is going to work for you. Maybe you are in Ghana, you are in Nigeria, you are in Pakistan or India. So whichever country you are, it is going to work for you. So just follow the steps in this video very well. Okay. For the sake of this video, I'm going to be using TempMail to do the registration and show you the steps. So let's leave that one to load. Before you do anything, if you are not from the United States, kindly download a VPN for yourself. If you are using Android, go and download a VPN on Play Store. I recommended Windscribe or Vitnify. Is either you download Windscribe or Vitnify. If you don't have Windscribe or Vitnify, if you're not using mobile phone, you can download any VPN, maybe Windscribe or this that I'm using. I'm going to be using this one. So get VPN for yourself and turn it on if you are not in the United States or any supported country by the website. So I've turned my VPN on. Then I will go to scripted.com. Scripted.com. Now, as you can see, this is the website. So this website connects writers with people that need writings. So when they connect you with people that need writing, they give you the writing project, then you complete the writing project. After completing it, you make money, and that's how it works. So for you to sign up as a writer on this website, you go to this place where it says talent, and after clicking the talent up here, you are going to click on the job board. Now when you click on the job board, it's going to bring you to this page, and you are just going to click on this button where it says become a writer. Become a scripted writer. You are not a client, so you don't need to click I need a writer. You don't need a writer, you want to become a writer, so you click on become a writer. Now that you click on become a writer, you click on the apply button here. Now mind you, after signing up to this website, there are a lot of things to be done before you can get on the website. So before you can actually start working. For these steps, I'm going to explain it to you so that you are not going to make any mistake. Have it at the back of your mind that if you are able to complete all these steps successfully, you are going to make a big amount of money from this website. So that is the reason why you have to pay attention to this video very well. So I will be signing up to the website now, but I'll be using a TempMail because for the sake of this video. So now I'm going to copy the email address to do my registration. If you are doing your own registration, use your own real email address. I'm using a temporary email like this for the sake of this video. So I'm going to input the email address here. I'm going to input the name and password, and I click on create account. Now we've created account on this website, but you have to read this to continue to the next stage of the registration. So let me read it out to you. It says you are one application away from earning money as a scripted writer. It says at Scripted, we strive to build a marketplace of the highest quality writers and the highest quality clients. Currently, we are only accepting writers from the United States, Canada, Europe, Australia, and New Zealand. If you are not from any of these countries, don't bother signing up. But with you using VPN, you can sign up. So when you download your VPN, is that you connect to the United States, Canada, Europe, Australia, or New Zealand, and make sure that that's the only VPN location you are using to sign in to this website after you have been approved. So mind that. Now, before taking the assessment, we are going to take a little assessment shortly after creating the account, okay? And I'm going to show you how you are going to pass the assessment. The assessment simply means a little test. Now, it says applications are reviewed every Friday. So if your application is submitted on Friday, it will be reviewed the following week. As we receive a high volume of applications, we will only be reaching out to eligible candidates. So that is why you have to put effort in this application. Don't just apply anyhow. Take your time during the application process and make sure you submit real and good answers to the questions they will be asking you in the assessment stage. So now we are going to be moving to the assessment stage, which is here. We've done the registration here. Now the next thing I want to do is submit evaluation by starting the assessment here. So after submitting the evaluation, then you move to the results. So your results here will determine maybe you'll be working for these people or not. So if you are ready to take the assessment, just click on begin assessment. So now this is the assessment page. And what are you asked to do on this assessment page? The required thing to do on this assessment stage is to input your real information again, your name, your email address. You are going to provide them with LinkedIn account, your LinkedIn account. Just copy your LinkedIn account URL, not password or username or whatever. Your LinkedIn account URL, you are going to paste it here. If you don't have LinkedIn account, you are simply going to go to linkedin.com. If you don't know what LinkedIn is, LinkedIn. So linkedin.com. So I don't think okay. LinkedIn. So this is LinkedIn here. So I already have accounts on LinkedIn, and I don't want to sign in with VPN because I don't want it to affect my account. So sign up to LinkedIn. But mind you, when sign up to LinkedIn, use VPN to create your LinkedIn account and connect your VPN to maybe United States, New Zealand, or other country accepted by this company here, accepted by this writing company. You are going to be using another country's IP as yours when working with these people, and they ask you to submit your LinkedIn URL here. That means you have to have maybe United States LinkedIn account. So use VPN to create your LinkedIn account, and when choosing country, choose United States in the process of signing up for LinkedIn. I think that one is clear to you. So after getting your LinkedIn account link, you're going to paste it here. So that's that for that. And the country you are using the IP, maybe United States, any of these, you are going to click on it. For me, I'm going to click on United States. So now, what format do you specialize in? Do you specialize in writing blogs, white papers, press release, product description, ebook, and technical writing? I advise you to pick blog, ebook, product description. Pick these three because it's very easy to write on. So proceeding to the next questions. These are just multiple choice questions you have to answer. You have to answer them correctly. So if you don't really know the answer to all these questions, for example, choose the correct answer that completes the sentence. It says software dash is a place where dash relationship will be accepted, but for now dash still searching. These are just English questions, grammar questions to test your grammar experience. So these are questions that you can easily answer by yourself, and if you don't know answer to them, you can ask ChatGPT. If you don't know what ChatGPT means, this is ChatGPT here. ChatGPT is an online AI assistant that can provide you answer to any questions you ask. So let's say you don't know answer to this question now. I'm just going to copy and paste it in ChatGPT to help you to answer the questions. So I want to log into ChatGPT. I'm going to show you how ChatGPT works. So I'm logging into ChatGPT now. Continue with you. So now we are inside ChatGPT. Remember the question I copied here. I'm going to paste it here, and ChatGPT is going to give me an answer to it. So you say somewhere there is a place where their relationship will be accepted, but now they are still searching. So it has provided you to the answer to this blank space, to which you are going to answer at this space. So you can use ChatGPT to do the assessments, the English grammar questions. So as you can see, I've been providing you with the step-by-step process and required thing to use in order to complete your application at this website. So make sure to follow every single steps I provided you with. So another thing to consider is that if you don't want your application to be rejected, you have to stay on this web page and answer every single question without switching tabs like this, and like this. So maybe you are going to use another device into getting answers to questions you don't know when you're signing up to this, because if you are switching tabs, they are monitoring your tab. Maybe the reason is that they don't want people to just be using Google to get answer or ChatGPT. They don't want you to cheat. So when you're on this tab to do the assessment, make sure you don't switch tabs. You can take your phone, access ChatGPT on your phone, and get answers to those questions and write it in this place. I think you understand what I'm trying to say. So the other thing that needed to be done is they say share a link to a link to at least one published writing samples. Published in this case refers to any content that has been posted on the web. It can be your blog, content you've done for a client, or anything of the sort. That means you wanted to see your past writings. Okay, maybe you don't have a past writing. To get a past writing, you can easily create an account on medium.com. So medium.com is like a mini blog for yourself, for you personally. So before you sign up to this website, you have to have medium.com account. Create account on medium.com. Post 1 to 2 or 3 articles on medium.com. You can easily generate your article using ChatGPT. You can tell ChatGPT to help you write on any topics you like. For example, you are going to tell ChatGPT what you want to write. So for example, I'm going to say write about the importance of social media marketing, and ChatGPT is going to write the blog post for me. So when ChatGPT writes the blog post for me like this, as it was doing, I'm just going to copy the whole blog post after ChatGPT has written everything for me. I'm going to copy everything and paste it on my medium.com blog. Mind you, create account on medium.com. So you are going to have a mini blog where you can post your articles. So that is how to get articles and post on medium.com. And after posting it on medium.com, you are going to take the link of the articles and submit it here as your writing samples. I think you understand what that means. So now the last thing is tell us a little about your writing experience and professional background, as well as any particular industry you are specializing. So you can also use ChatGPT to write an experience for yourself, or if you have any experience of what you have to say, you're just going to write it for them here, blah 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 blah, then blah blah blah. So that is that for the assessment stage. Then you submit the assessment questions here. You click on submit here. After you submit, they are going to review it. So when they review it, they are going to provide you with the results here. And when you pass the result requirements, then you are going to be their verified worker, and you are going to be working for clients directly and making your money as a writer. So what you have to keep in mind is that they want you to pass the minimum of 50 points in your results. Yeah, the total point is 60, but you have to have the minimum of 50 points after finishing this assessment. So that is where you have to put effort. As you can see, each question carries 5 points. Look at it here. These questions carry 5 points. So you have to answer those questions correctly. So and make the minimum of 50 points. Because if you don't make the minimum of 50 points, they will not accept your application. So take your time, apply to this website, and when you are approved, then you'll be making money as a writer. As simple as that. Now, after being approved, the next stage is that okay, you are working for a client, right? When you get the project to work on the website, don't forget ChatGPT. ChatGPT helps you in every writing you want to do. So maybe on any topic they provide you to work on, don't forget ChatGPT. Use ChatGPT to do the writing, but make sure that not all of the content ChatGPT provides you with, you just be copy and pasting for clients. Do your own modifications, because these people always check for AI detection content. So do your own modification and be creative with what you are doing. So that is it for this video, guys. If this video really helps you and you find value in this video, please subscribe to my channel and like this video. I'm going to bring more content like this. And if you're interested in updates, I have a WhatsApp group where I drop updates. So the WhatsApp group link is going to be in this video description. So join the WhatsApp group, and I'm going to be providing you with other updates. If you have questions too, don't message me directly. I'm not always going to be answering every single question that I'm getting, because I have other things I'm doing too. But in the group, I'll be posting things that you need to know. Okay, so just join the group for getting other updates from me. Okay, thank you guys. This is going to be the end of the video. Subscribe to my channel. Love you. Bye.